Follow these steps to fix iPhone won't turn on. First, force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This process can resolve issue where the device becomes unresponsive. Connect your iPhone to a reliable power source using a known working charger and cable. Allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes. After charging, attempt to turn it on again. A completely drained battery might need some time before a device responds. Inspect charging accessories. Examine the charging cable and adapter for signs of damage. Ensure the charging port on your iPhone is free from debris. Gently clean it if necessary. Try using a different charger and cable to run out accessory issues. Faulty accessories or a dirty charging port can prevent proper charging. Check for physical damage. Inspect your iPhone for signs of physical or water damage. If the device has been exposed to water or suffered a hard fall, internal components might be affected. In such cases, professional assessment is recommended. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for further diagnosis and repair. Following these steps, you can fix your iPhone won't turn on. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.